It's time for a reset. McDonald's is putting
An Amber Alert is being broadcast on behalf of the California Highway Patrol and the San Francisco Police Department. At 7:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a child has been abducted from the Civic Center area of San Francisco. The abductor is considered armed and dangerous. Victim information. Name, Chloe Abernathy. Age, 7 years old. Gender, female race, white. Height, 3 feet 11 inches. Weight, 55 pounds. Hair, brown clothing, last seen wearing a pink t-shirt and blue jeans. Suspect information. Name, Bendover. Age, 35 years old. Gender, male race, Hispanic. Hair, black clothing, last seen wearing a black hooded sweatshirt and dark pants. Vehicle information. Make, Toyota model, Camry. Year, 2010. Color, silver. License plate, 6ZIZ123, California. Other details, the vehicle has a large dent on the front passenger side door. Precautionary preparedness actions. If you see the abductor, the victim, or the vehicle, do not attempt to approach. This individual is considered armed and dangerous. Immediately call 911. Provide law enforcement with the location and a detailed description. This Amber Alert is in effect for San Francisco and surrounding counties until 11:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.